Welcome back to our channel. In this video you can expect to see
this.
And yet here we are in the tsunami. Is it worth it?
And this. And this.
So stay tuned to catch all the action. Don't miss anything. Let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see, we are chilling at Epcot today with the plan of possibly ditching Epcot because we couldn't get a pass into Magic Kingdom. So what we're going to try to do is hop over into Magic Kingdom to catch the fireworks for our very first time in over a year.
Yes.
How cool is that going to be?
Very cool, because I haven't said it since when I turned 6, I think.
That's right. And I really think it's going to be quite emotional for people. It'll be hard for them not to cry because it kind of symbolizes the end of COVID for Disney World, huh? So let's go see. Let's see where the day takes us. Okay, so here's the scene for you. We could not get passes for Magic Kingdom. We could only get passes for Epcot. And because it's after 2 o'clock, we've jumped back in the car. We're going to try to hop over to Magic Kingdom because we want to catch the first night of public fireworks at Magic Kingdom over the castle. Now the risk we're taking is because we left Epcot and had a reservation there, we can technically go back unless Epcot fills up. If Epcot fills up, then we can't go back in, and then we can't get into any other park, and we're probably going to be SOL and have to go home. So wish us luck. We'll keep you updated. All right, so we made it to Ticket and Transportation at Magic Kingdom. We got to try to hurry up and make it to the park before they stop letting people in. Come on. Oh, so we made it to the monorail. Our chances are looking good. What do you think, Carter? You think we're going to make it actually into Magic Kingdom?
Hope so. And then we're going back to Epcot.
Yep. As soon as we get into Magic, we're going to go back to Epcot.
Are we just going to do the whole day?
We're going to try to catch both fireworks shows at the same time.
What would we do? Rip one of our eye sockets out? I can see everything.
Actually, we're going to leave you guys at Epcot. Me and Mommy's going to go to Magic Kingdom.
Hey.
All right, let's go. Colty, are you on the train? Colty, where are we going? What are we going to go see? Master Duel? Are you going to see the castle? Okay, we just got off the monorail and it's going to be moment of truth. The next stop, what do they call it where you go in? It's called the entrance. Where you punch your ticket, scan your magic band, that's where we're going next. And either it's going to turn green to say go in, or it's going to turn blue and say go home. So, let's see what happens and wish us luck. It's right over there. All right, who's going to go first? Let's see. Go, Lizzie. Ooh. Oh, we got in. We got lucky. We must be VIPs. Okay, so good news. We made it in. We're going to get to see fireworks.
And they're canceled.
I'm going to try not to cry.
They're canceled. Time to go back to
Are you going to cry? Are you going to cry?
I'm going to be sleeping.
I'm gonna cry on the inside, but my man side can't let it out. So Casey's Corner is open. We can get hot dogs again. What does Martian Mickey call a hot dog? You remember? What? Oh yeah. Which one do you like? We forgot to bring your bubble blower, didn't we?
I love bubble.
I know, you love bubbles, huh? Lizzie, who's coming? It's another parade. Let's check it out. Snow White. Here comes Cinderella. There's enough room in there for Merida. Well, I guess Mama's right. She said princesses were coming. Look, it's Rapunzel. And Tiana. Say Tiana, laissez les bon temps rouler. Look, Sleeping Beauty and Elena of Avalor. What, baby? Yeah. There they go. And I thought we were crazy. You see all these people parking it by the fence in the fountain? It's like 4 o'clock, 5.5 hours before fireworks, and they're already claiming their spot for tonight. They're gonna sit there for 5 hours to wait on fireworks to guarantee that spot. You wanna do that? You wanna sit there all day, wait on fireworks?
No. I'd rather be dancing in the rain.
Yeah, me too. I'd rather be dancing in the pits of, in hot lava. Okay, so I'm going to City Hall, which is guest services, to see what it takes to get a reservation to be on the green for the fireworks. And likely you have to be somewhere around the status of the President of the United States, but let's see what they tell me. We made it to City Hall. Let's see what's next. Okay, so here's the verdict from City Hall. You either have to be part of Club 33, which is the very exclusive club that costs thousands and thousands of dollars a year. You have to be a member of the media, or a VIP tour, or extremely rich, famous, wealthy, or whatever to get any kind of a reservation on the green tonight for the fireworks. So Bennett's World is SOL. So now we just got to go find our spot. Wish us luck. It's Gaston. Let me ask them this though, how could you guys start lunch without me? Cheese, crackers, goldfish, chips, and a sunshiny attitude. Oh, celery and carrots, of course.
You forgot the best part.
Pokey's favorite, with ranch, for a change. Let's eat lunch.
Wait, Mama.
What?
She forgot. She didn't forget the ranch this time. Where's the meat?
Where's the beef? And yet here we are, still waiting on fireworks and the tsunami. Is it worth it?
I'm looking at the
I mean, you can only get so wet.
I have a pond in my hand right now.
Salty, what do you think? You're gonna get cold. You want it off? Happy firework day, honey. Not me physically catch a lightning bolt. I want to catch it on my camera. All right, so we've been standing here for what? 2 hours? 3 hours? Waiting on fireworks. Still raining. We've been standing in the rain over an hour. Everybody's hunkering down. Soaking wet. Where's your shoes? But we're gonna stick it out. We're waiting on fireworks. Coming soon. We only have another 2.5 hours before fireworks. 150 minutes.
Ready?
Go ahead.
I can do it the clone words. The clone words. Like clones. Well, robots, whatever.
Okay, go ahead.
Rider.
Carter, what are you doing? Look up.
Hello. Hello.
How long have we been waiting now?
All that long.
We've been waiting how many more? 3.5 hours for fireworks in one spot in the rain. And we still have another hour to go. But it's getting close. Okay, so let me sum up the evening, and I'm going to put it like this.
I know how to do it. Rain.
We spent 5 hours sitting in a single spot, so we had an excellent view of the fireworks show. We decided to be nice and let this little kid get in front of us, and what did he do? He screamed at the top of his lungs for the entire fireworks show.
Every single time there was another character, he would be like, ah!
Or
and
a
if a
movie.
person that he doesn't know,
Or a movie. Hey, mommy, who is that? Or what movie is it?
So we sat in the rain for 5 hours
listen to a kid scream.
to listen to a kid scream.
Wow, I didn't realize it's been 15 months.
It was amazing.
15 months since fireworks.
But the fireworks show was excellent for sure, and
Especially the music. When I get home, I
they had music.
What?
I didn't know the fireworks show had music.
You didn't hear the remix of the Screaming Kid?
It's gonna make for an interesting video. Look at the beautiful fireworks.
We're gonna have to definitely find another version of that, like get someone's video and take out the sound and put it in that.
So anyway, that was our day.
Yeah.
Anything you want to say?
It was 5 hours of us standing in the rain.
Tanner, final thoughts?
It was, I think probably my favorite is probably the fireworks.
Yeah, that's all we did.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, guys. You know one thing what I'm disappointed about?
What?
Two things. Yeah. Tinkerbell and the Screaming Kid. I think.
Tinkerbell don't fly in the rain.
Oh wait.
Her wings would get wet.
I think the only thing we did was me and Tanner, and that was Space Mountain. I think that.
And we ate a big glizzy.
Tell everybody bye.
Thank you for watching this. And if you want to see more videos like this, like the Screaming Child remix, well, just subscribe to the channel and go on the Instagram and follow it. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye! Peace. 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 Peace.